Pepper chicken curry. The important fact about pepper chicken curry is that it should have the hint of pepper actually in it. In step 1, fresh medium hot chili 3 in a blender and break them into pieces for easy blending. Also add 1 big ginger piece. Also 15 to 16 curry leaves in it. Also add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Don't add too much coconut in it. 2 tablespoons of grated coconut is enough. Also add 50 to 100 ml of water to the blender and then blend to make a smooth paste. Once it is blended, keep this to the side. In step 2, in a pan, add some cooking oil or olive oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. Half teaspoon of mustard. After it sizzles, add fennel seeds 2 teaspoons. Cinnamon stick 1 inch piece. 6 cloves. Just let it to roast. Once the fennel seeds starts turn into golden color, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lengthy chopped ginger pieces. Try to cut them very thin, nice slices. And 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped as well, thin, nice again. 15 to 16 curry leaves. 1 fresh chili, medium hot, and that can be cut into length. Then add 2 finely chopped onions, 2 large onions finely chopped. Sprinkle some oil in between if required. Also add 2 dried Kashmiri chili. Kashmiri chili is mild, so it's okay. Stir until it gets turned into golden color. Take 10 to 15 minutes. Also add salt 1.5 teaspoons. Once the onions are soft and turn into golden color, you can add the chicken. 800 to 1 kilogram chicken. Chicken with the bone is better tasted in this recipe. Also crush 2 tablespoons of pepper. Don't crush them to fully fine powder. Add this crushed peppers to the chicken. Now we can add the spices. So 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, which is hot, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, which is mild, and mix them well. And it can roast for 1 to 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. And then water to cover chicken pieces. Stir well. Cover the pan with a proper lid and cook for 25 minutes under medium flame. Stir in between as required. After 25 minutes, We can add the blended chili paste into this curry and mix well. At this stage, chicken is almost cooked, but cover with lid and cook another 15 to 20 minutes under the medium flame. Pepper chicken curry is ready, and this has every hint of pepper in it, and it tastes delicious. Serve this with a rice, naan bread, puri, chapati, and you will love it.